Let's dive right into the fascinating world of perfect tenses and the role of have as an auxiliary verb. Understanding how to use have can really elevate your command of English. First, let's talk about the present perfect tense. This tense is all about connecting the past with the present. For example, when I say I have completed my assignment, it means that the action of completing is done, and it's relevant right now. It implies that I'm ready to move on to the next task, and that completion has an impact on my current situation. Now, let's shift gears to the past perfect tense. This one is particularly interesting because it allows us to establish a timeline of events. For instance, she had already left when I arrived. Here, the action of leaving happened before my arrival. It's like setting the stage for a story, where one event is clearly established as happening before another. Moving on to the future perfect tense, we can see how have helps us project into the future. Take this example. By the time you get here, I will have finished my workout. This indicates that my workout will be completed before you arrive. It's a way to express certainty about future actions and their completion relative to another future event. Let's explore a few more examples to solidify our understanding. In the present perfect, I might say, they have traveled to 5 countries this year. This shows that their travels are relevant to the current year, and it highlights their experiences up to now. In the past perfect, consider this. We had planned the trip for months before we finally booked the tickets. Here, the planning occurred before the booking, emphasizing the sequence of events. And for the future perfect, how about this? You will have read the entire book by the time the discussion starts. This not only sets a deadline, but also assures that the reading will be completed before the discussion kicks off. These examples illustrate how have serves as a crucial link in perfect tenses, helping us convey the timing and relevance of actions. It's all about clarity and precision in communication. So, whether you're discussing past experiences, current achievements, or future plans, remember the power of have in perfect tenses. It's a small word that packs a big punch in expressing completed actions and their significance in time. Keep practicing, and soon, using these tenses will feel as natural as breathing.